Nagugutom na ako. Mag-eat na nga ako ng pan. Kuya, pabili nga po yung ano nyo, pan at saka palaman po. At meron kong sipils dyan. Tingnan ko lang, miss, wait lang. Miss, gatas lang po ito. Sige lang po. Kuya, gatas lang po. Sige, miss, yogurt. Kahit ano po na palaman po, kuya. Sige na po, kuya. Sige. Ay, miss, sorry, miss. Ano kasi? Garamis yung order niya. Ang sarap ng gatas. Ito din yung palaman. Yung bread. Kuya, padungan yung gatas. Sige po, miss. Ito po, miss. Thank you po, kuya. Mamaya ko na bayad po. Sige po, miss. Guys, parang may nanahan kong babae. Tingin ko kayo. Langgan. Hi, miss. Hello po, kuya. Bakit po? Kasi yung order mo po. Ito na pala yung order ko, miss. Yan, gusto mo? Hindi lang, busog naman ako miss, ako na magbabayad. Ay, thank you po, kuya. Kuya, ito yung bayad. Babay na. Sige, tara, miss. Saan tayo pupunta sa bahay niyo? Siyempre, yan yung yung bahay ko. Oo naman. Form year or moms or new year. Mali. Later
Viscous poison. Packs in my hand instantly melted. Seeing this, the man's mind instantly grew. He immediately said the Flamehorn line was locked up in the central building and that he could give me the key. But before that, I had to sign a contract not to attack him. Guaranteed safe. I looked at the contract and said it was no problem, but I added a condition that he must keep our matter confidential. After signing the contract, he handed me the key.
Wait lang kayo, guys.
But just as I was about to turn and look for peace, the man suddenly lashed out. His hands turned into sharp claws and grabbed my neck tight. You fell for it, kid. You can't attack me now. This contract is imbued with the power of curse. If you attack
Tagal,
me,
no?
you'll go blind for breaking the contract. A newbie who's never even been in a dungeon. You really don't know anything. All you
Yan
can
na.
do is that I would directly clear the contract.
Sulit.
Because I broke the contract, I immediately triggered the vision of the curse. But because of my legendary grade,
May city yung bahay mo. Oo, ito yung bahay ko. Talaga ba, miss? Oo. Sige. Dito muna ako i-stay, ha? Oh my God. Oo, sige. Sakto, doble naman yung kama ko. Yan, Yan, yung headset mo. Lagay mo dito. Diba, doble? Oo nga. Tara, sayaw tayo. Ay, hindi lang. Hindi na ako sumasayaw. Pinipindi ko na. Ako sumasayaw. Sige ba? Ikaw lang, miss. Sige. Miss, tara, ano lang tayo. Parang, lang tayo. Mag-watch na lang tayo ng TV. Ikaw, mag-TV ka na, diba? Oo naman. Ako rin ito, hindi. Ang saya, no? Oo. Wait lang, mag-cellphone na ako. Wala, sige. Sige, oo, ako po ito, oo. Sige, mamaya na lang, later na lang. Sige, bye. So, bye guys, part 2 na lang. Bye, bye-bye, dabadi. Mwah.